Hello and welcome to my video on how to get to your morning meeting tomorrow. I just can't wait to see you guys in the morning meeting. So each morning, students should begin logging on to EClass at around 8:35 a.m. It's important to start logging on around this time so that you'll have enough time to join the Zoom morning meeting at 8:40. Students can get to the Corley Elementary website at this website. You can also go to Google and type in Corley Elementary. Once students get to the Corley homepage, you will see here at the top where it says EClass. EClass is to the right of the home button. Students should click here to go to EClass. This is how a student's home screen will look. So the most important step for students in the morning is to click here where it says My EClass Course Pages. You can see it here in the red box. Next, students would be on the Corley homepage. So on the Corley homepage, you'll find important announcements for the day. For example, if it was a bad weather day or if we had to make some changes to the schedule, you would see them here on the Corley Elementary School homepage. What students want to do in the morning is come to the top where you see this red box where the waffle is. Once students are there, they should type in the teacher name, Crowder. This will help them to get to the correct teacher page to be able to be ready for the morning meeting. So this is Ms. Crowder's homepage. You should always see 2021, Crowder, and the fireworks. So this is where you'll find your Zoom code. It's also where you'll find your calendar. So you can see here on the calendar that there's some important events, like on September 29th, there's a reading test. This is also where you will find your math assignments. Once you're on Ms. Crowder's page, you will see every day an announcement. It will have the day of the week, so tomorrow is going to be Monday, September 29th, so you can see the date is there. And notice the first arrow says you will look here and click where it says here to join the morning meeting. Remember, you should click this before 8:40 so that you're ready to begin the morning meeting at 8:40 a.m. If for some reason you missed the class or you missed the meeting, you can click here where it says Monday, September 28th, 2020. And that is where you'll find all of your math assignments for the day. Each day, students should do their mini lesson, independent practice, and 20 minutes or more of Moby Max Math. Remember, all assignments are due by 4 p.m. Here are some important reminders. All students should attend class daily. This can be in person or digitally. Digital students are still required to attend class daily on Zoom. We're quickly approaching the end of the 9 weeks, and grades will be posted soon for report cards. Make sure that you're checking your grades every day. I can also help you to learn how to do that tomorrow during morning meeting. If a student misses class, they're still responsible for completing their assignments. Every student should be completing the following in math every day. The first thing we do is complete a mini lesson in Nearpod. This is both for in-person students and digital students at home. The second thing we do is independent practice. So you'll do 4 questions on your own so that we can find out what areas we need to work on. The third thing you will do every day is 20 minutes or more of Moby Max Math. I'm so excited to see you guys tomorrow, and if you have any questions, please email me on Class Dojo or here at my email address. I can't wait to see you guys. Have a great evening.